Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and I'm back with another video. So, you guys know that I am starting my mother a garden with vegetables, and now I have some live plants. Yes, you guys, I picked these up from Walmart because we were going to go to Home Depot and get the plants, but we end up going to Walmart. We did go to Home Depot and we got some other stuff, but Walmart, y'all, Walmart has affordable live plants and they are beautiful. I even picked up a couple from the brand Better Homes and Gardens. Y'all know I love Better Homes and Gardens, and I didn't even know that they made that they had plants, excuse me. And so they had some beautiful ones. Now, these ones that I picked out, some of them look like, they're just dying a little bit, but I'm going to bring it back to life once you water them and give it some sunshine. It should be just fine. So y'all can see I picked up some cute ones. This one was $2.97. You get a set of 4. I don't know the name of them, but the name is on the tag. But yeah, I love it. So all of these flowers are going to go in my mother's front yard. Now, this is one of the ones from Better Homes and Gardens. These are so pretty. These were $7.98 each, and I did purchase 2 of them. So these are going to go well. All of the colors are going to go well with the cushions that are going to go in her chairs for the front yard. Y'all, we got, oh my goodness, I can't wait for y'all to see it. But yeah, we're going to have it going on at my mom's house. It's going to be a whole situation, but it is going to rain for the next 4 days. So even today it's raining, but I wanted to go ahead and at least put the plants in the planters that I got her. And y'all remember the planter pots that I got from Dollar Tree? They were $5 each. So we're going to have 2 of those in the front yard with her chairs and all of that stuff. Y'all will see that. And this is another Better Homes and Gardens plant. So beautiful, but the colors do match well with her cushions. And I did pick up some potting mix. This was $6.97 at Walmart. And also, look, I had to get her one of these to water her plants. I'll probably end up doing it because my mom, she said, she's really not into it, but she'll get into it later. But that was $4.97. Okay, so I did put the plant into the planters, and I separated these ones here. Now it started to get dark, so I was trying to hurry up because it's going to be raining the next 4 days, so I didn't want to get caught in the rain. So I'm just going to leave these out here on the patio to catch all the rain. And yeah, I love the way they turned out. So, and they're going to be even prettier once they bloom just a little bit more. You just got to bring them back to life a little. Just a little bit. This one over here is a tropical plant, this one here. So yeah, and the green, these here, it says that they grow up to 5 feet. So yeah, I'm real excited about those. But I didn't use all of, well, I only used one pot. And then the second pot, because I did buy 2 of them, I just took out a piece and put it in this pot over here. So these are it. And on here, let me see, it'll tell you, it's called Trade. Y'all can see it. Trades Cantia. This was $7.88 at Walmart. It's by Better Homes and Gardens. And Yeah, and it says on here that it grows, hold on. It grows up to 5 feet tall, 24 inches apart. So, yeah, but this that's left, I'm going to plant it in the white, watch out Trent, planter that I got from Dollar General. And see, these are my, look, I have to, it's dark out here. I got the vegetable plants that need to be planted with the other vegetables. The vegetable plants, I have to plant those with the other vegetables. So I'm gonna do that in another video, but I like the way it turned out. My mom says she loves it. Okay, look at Trent. Yeah, so I'm going to do a short. Well, I had started recording a short. It'll be like 3 minutes long, and that will show like how I did it. 3 minutes long. So if you guys watch that, please hit the thumbs up. And Trent, yeah. So yeah, but that's it. I'm excited about my mom's garden and stuff. Put that down. Like, I'm so excited about it. So let me give y'all a look one more time. Oh, I'm just so excited. And they're going to match her cushions. Perfect. Like the colors and everything. It's going to go so perfect with it. So, yeah. They are just so beautiful. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave them sit out here so they can catch some of that rain. But these are going in the front. Yep, they're going in the front. I'm going to make her, yeah, I was trying to say that I'm gonna make her another wreath for her front door, because I'm gonna redo it. And yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be nice. Plus mommy got a package that she ordered in the mail. I didn't even know she was going to order it. So we're not going to put that down until after the rain and stuff is over, because she had to get her grass cut and all of that stuff. And then we're going to put what she ordered. We're going to put that out there. And then, you know, her plants. I can't wait. But anyway, y'all, I'm tired. I'm getting ready to take me a shower. And I don't know. I guess I'll sit with Trent and stuff, and we'll find something to watch, or Zay. But that's it. Well, you can put them on the other side
in the yard or whatever.
Right. Mommy's opening up her outdoor stuff. I don't have you on camera. I don't have your face in there, but I just wanted to show them. No, because I got on my pajamas. And then look, Mommy got her new vacuum. What brand is it? We got it today from Walmart. The what? And I got me a little margarita. I don't have your face in it. I'm just pointing it at the vacuum. It said, wasn't it by Shark?
Shark, yeah.
Yeah, it's by Shark. It is a vacuum and floor sweeper. How much was it, Mom? You want to tell them how much it was, or?
43 plus tax.
Oh, so you end up getting the big one. The small one was you said it was 40,
No,
48.
The small was 43. I think
43.
that was 52.
Yeah, that one was it was 10. It was a $10 difference. Mommy ended up getting the big one for $53 because they did have the small one. Let them see, Mom. I don't have your face in it. Here, just lean up. I don't have your face in it. Just lean up. Put your arm out so they can see her outdoor solar lights. How many you getting that?
You get 2 in a box, and I ordered 2 sets.
Okay, so you get a set. Okay, you get a pair, and then she ordered two sets. So she has 4 of those. And also, where's your big ones?
Okay.
I'm not going to show you. Oh my goodness.
I thought these were gonna be bigger than that.
That's why you got to read the description. It'll, give you the measurements.
I guess the front.
So you end up getting 8.
Yeah. These are
I don't even know how many she ordered. Okay, so in total, Mom, you have 8 of the small ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so she has 8 of the small ones. And then how many set? You ordered 2 sets of the big tall ones, right?
Uh-huh. This is what they look like.
So each set, okay, with the tall ones, each set you get 4, right?
4 in a box.
Okay, you get 4 in a box with each set. So she ordered 2 sets, so in total she'll have 8. And that's going to go in the driveway. You know, coming up to the driveway, it's going to be on the sides.
4 boxes of these.
You ordered 4 boxes of the tall ones?
Yeah.
So you got 16? Okay, well, she got
16 or 12.
What is it? 4 and 4, 4 and 8. What? 8. Okay, what is 8 and 8? What? Hold that. So you got 4.
There's 4 in each box. I got 4 boxes of these, and there's 4 in each.
So you got 4 of the tall ones?
16, yeah.
So she got 6. You got 16. Okay, she got 16. Okay, so she got 16 of the tall ones. But y'all will see it when, you know, when we put it, when we put it up and stuff. So, yeah. But I'm going to end this video. Look at Trent. Trent.
Say hi, wave.
You want to say hi?
Want to say hi?
Say hi, Tika Butt.
See,
No, you supposed to be in front of the, huh? Okay. All right. Good night, y'all.